So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw or unstake from the staking pool. So you open the Kiln app inside Ledger Live, then we want to go to withdraw to initiate the exit or the withdrawal process. So it's a two-stage process, or actually a three-stage process. The first is you request an exit. The exit then gets processed, so the pool frees up some ETH for your exit request. And then your ETH is available to withdraw. So then the last step is to withdraw that ETH. So the first step is we're going to go ahead and request an exit. Let's just request, say, 3.4 for the purposes of our video. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click request. As usual, we just follow the on-screen prompts and then review the transaction on the Ledger device. Okay, so that's been reviewed and accepted or assigned. Just need to wait a few seconds. Okay, so that's done. So when you first request an exit, the exit request appears down here, and then if you had other exit requests as well, so if you made multiple requests with different amounts of ETH, for example, so if we came back tomorrow and requested some more, you would see that in this list. But at first it shows you the status of exiting, so this is the initial status, and then that will update quite soon to give an estimated exit time, so it gives you a more accurate estimation of how long you may need to wait before your ETH can be withdrawn. Okay, so I've come back now. My ETH is ready to withdraw. In the meantime, I've withdrawn. I've exited some more ETH. So now I'm going to go ahead and so you can see here it tells me that I've got several different exit requests that are now ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and withdraw that ETH. I'm just going to go ahead and work through the transaction as usual. Okay, so we're just going to wait for that to successfully complete. There we go, that's done. Okay, so now you see the exit requests that were ready have now cleared, and my balance, the balance of my on my wallet has now increased by 5.9 ETH. Thank you for watching.